We are Nebia, creators of the world's best and most sustainable shower heads and bathroom accessories. We're passionate about making everything in your shower ritual more thoughtful, more enjoyable, and better for the planet. So we teamed up with two of the world's leading textile companies to create the most sustainable towel. Introducing the Nebia towel. Woven with a breakthrough recycled textile, it's made from 70% sustainably grown cotton and 30% upcycled fibers that are soft on the skin, absorb water effectively, and are perfectly plush. These towels are the first in the world created from a superior material using repurposed pre- and post-consumer recycled textiles. Our planet needs game-changing and innovative solutions to build a better future. Worldwide, 48 million tons of textiles end up as waste every year. This is creating a massive problem that our planet can't withstand for much longer. Upcycling textiles, turning old products into beautiful new products, is the future. That's why we teamed up with Lenzig, makers of the world's first premium upcycled fiber, and Venus, makers of luxury hotel towels. The Nebia towel is made with refiber technology, which takes textiles destined for the landfill, combines it with sustainably harvested wood and cotton to create the world's best and most sustainable towel. This breakthrough new fiber also uses 95% less water in production than traditional cotton. This reclaimed material has recently been used by leading companies in the apparel industry. The challenge is that it's hard to create the premium quality, soft feel, and durability required for towels. Until now. The Nebia towel is woven with over 600 GSM, which means it's perfectly soft and plush. It's just the right amount of oversized to cozily wrap every body. It's OEKO-TEX certified, so you know you're draping yourself in non-toxic materials. It's equipped with a convenient hanging loop, because we all know how well towels hang on hooks. It has antimicrobial properties to reduce odor, which means more use between wash cycles and much less water. And it's shipped in sustainable packaging made of 100% recycled cardboard.
All other towel makers can stop. Nebia has created the perfect towel.
It's also highly absorbent, which is really great for my skin as well as my hair.
It's just one of the nicest towels that I've had.
But I'm so amazed, they're so fluffy and so luxurious, like they're so soft.
This is our 5th Kickstarter campaign, but we wouldn't be here without this incredible community of backers. If you like soft, luxurious towels, and you care about a future with less waste, please consider backing this project. Our production is ready to go and we'll start delivering soon after the campaign is over. From all of us at Nebia, thank you.